Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can properly refill all detergents in the HISENSE dishwasher HS. So let's start from the top. If you're using the tops, just put it inside this hole with this small plastic foil and close the chamber. Now rinse it, open the chamber on the right side, then refill this hole with the liquid detergent to the max position. The last one is a salt storage. It's located inside your appliance on the right side. You have to open the top, turn it to the left side, and with the accessory that you should find inside your appliance, refill the salt storage. Remember, if you're doing it for the first time, put the 1 liter of water, then put the salt storage only for the first time. After that, just refill the salt storage to the max position and close the top. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.